Yes, yes. Yeah, we are make a ROTEL snack, you know. You have space, alright?
I need space for loading?
Sometimes. No, no, see if you have space.
I mean, I deleted a bunch of stuff.
Alright, we'll make a ROTEL dip, you know what I mean? So you can eat with chips. What do you call this thing? No, we didn't call no taco, right?
Nachos, kind of?
Yeah, nachos. Nachos, man. I make some nachos, you know? These are the cheese where you get your Velveeta cheese. You see me I say? Soon come back to this one second. Get your turkey meat. Ground turkey, that is, isn't it? Flavor it a little bit, you know what I mean? Some pepper. You see me? Wanna work it in the pot.
Go sit down!
Just one brown up there. Brown turkey, you see me? Put some oregano upon it, isn't it?
Oh my god, where did all my time find out?
Alright. Finish cut up your cheese. We'll make nachos, you see me? So you go down here. Nachos, right? So no nachos, man?
But nachos are the movie, they don't come with meat, though. I'm just saying, it comes with the cheese, right?
I will call this nachos same way.
With meat.
With meat.
And what's that? Tomato or whatever.
Cut up your cheese, you see me? You need all of your cheese. It's a cheese dip with turkey meat, you know what I mean? And ROTEL.
Peas jumbo, yeah? Peas jumbo.
Peas jumbo. Well, go on.
Yeah, tell me this is
Come on, girl, come and kiss and caress me. Do the things that bring back memory of all the things we used to do. Now, little girl, it's just me and you. So love me. Oh, Lord.
Sure get brown and like when mine well crispy, you know? Brown up well nice and so this is ground turkey, guys.
I made it be a sugar daddy, but I forgot something to make your eye. I may not have enough money, but I forgot the nothing you need them. So love me, oh Lord. Love me too. You give me that now.
Yeah, man, make it dry and thing, you know?
Until eternity.
Alright, I think that good still. Supposed to see.
Take it easy with a friend to be out in danger. So much danger. Wonder if she made my woman not taking her out. Working too hard and now she's going up with a stranger. Someone I don't even know.
Alright, that
I should have taken her out every once in a while.
ROTEL, you see me? That is tomato and green chili. You see me I say? Yeah, man.
I guess I gotta walk an extra mile to keep myself. I have to beat myself. Oh, yeah. Got everybody out there in the ground. When my friends will ask me, where is your woman? Long time I don't see. Now I've got to sit fast and use my head. Here's what you want me and make sure they buy my version of the situation.
See? Yeah, add your ROTEL knife. Go on, cook down a little bit. You didn't listen. Should I even cry?
We'll just be here.
The same old life.
Oh God, say darling, my love. What you do to yourself?
Yes, my people. So you don't know first, with turkey, we brown it up. Then we add the tomato, we ROTEL, you see me? That is tomatoes and green chili. Then we are going to add the Velveeta cheese, you see me I say? We are make a dip right now. You see me? Similar to nachos, you see me? Well, the worm is the worm. And a worm, you know. A worm, they say. It's ground turkey, okay? Yeah. What did that smell, is it? Yeah, man, American, Jamaican nachos, isn't it?
That person is bright boy. Small worm.
It's a Jamaican nachos. Yo, you make some spaghetti and say it's Jamaican spaghetti, they'll kill me, yo. But this is American nachos, alright? AKA ROTEL. You see me? That's what the name down. That's what I'm sure if you show me that style there, you know. You see me? So you add your cheese. Everything. Cover the pot, make it go and melt a little bit, and then we are going to stir it up, you see me? In the meantime, just one straighten up, you know? Then when enough pieces jump out of the pot. Look at that. What a piece there is in Japan. You never see it. Things that it come there. Over town. Alright, yeah man, and this is the Jamaican style, you see me? Yeah man, Empress, Jamaican style, big up yourself, you know. Let them know. They say me make some spaghetti and say a Jamaican spaghetti. Where the American they would have killed me star. So me say a Jamaican spaghetti. Eh?
No.
What did I say? Yes, the people. The baddest thing right now is this. Call it ROTEL. Jamaican nachos. Yeah. The Jamaican will make it. You see me, the top chef. Look at that. The man turn off the stove now. You see me, just make sure all of the cheese. You see me, I say? This is a dip, you see me? So all you need are some nachos right now. Look at that. See them people? That we call nachos. We use turkey, ground turkey, ROTEL, Velveeta cheese, and you don't know you flavor it up how you want it, you see me? Yeah. I'm sure how we do it, you know. Kids love this. It's some Tostitos chips, isn't it? That's it. That is it. Look at that. Then you have a dip, you know? Yeah, just like that. Yeah, man. I'll body things going on. Thing bad. But big up on yourself, isn't it? Until next time, this is something quick and fast. So subscribe to the YouTube channel. Top Chef Done the Place. We out.